Salut, on est les CryptoPredict et notre projet est d'essayer de prédire, suivant les prochaines minutes, si le Bitcoin ou n'importe quelle crypto-monnaie va augmenter ou descendre.
Bonsoir à tous. C'est un peu le moment si attendu, c'est l'événement de l'été. C'est pour ça que je suis venu comme ça aussi. Pour bien introduire l'été 2021. On attendait tous, hein, c'est bientôt les vacances. C'est la fin du troisième batch data, le deuxième de cette année. Et franchement, c'est un très beau projet, c'est une très bonne personne. Nos étudiants, vous allez me manquer après. Donc c'est le moment qu'on attend tous. Donc la demo time. Donc plus de petite histoire. Mais Ayam, elle voulait venir déguisée en Pikachu, mais finalement, elle a juste ramené les oreilles. En tout cas, pour les premiers projets, je vais vous raconter une histoire. C'est une histoire qui est très triste pour moi. Il se trouve que cette année, comme plusieurs personnes, on a cru que c'était le moment de se lancer au crypto-monnaie. Du coup, je me suis lancé sous les... on va dire que j'ai eu un mentor qui m'a dit « Allez Arturo, il faut que tu te lances. Il faut que tu te lances. » Donc il m'a dit je sais que tu es un peu peureux, mais c'est vrai, mais tu peux adopter une stratégie auquel tu mets 50 € par mois. Il n'y a pas de souci. Donc je me suis dit, vu les stats entre janvier et avril, je me suis dit, effectivement, le Bitcoin est en train de monter. C'est peut-être une bonne option. Donc je me suis lancé quand il était vraiment au top, on va dire. Mais je ne m'attendais pas du tout qu'un gars qui commence par Elon et finit par Musk fasse un Twitter et qui fasse tout changer. Donc du coup, voilà pourquoi c'est une triste histoire. Moi, j'aurais bien aimé avoir une application qui m'aurait dit attention, ça va baisser très très vite. J'ai réagi très tard. Donc, je vais faire appel à CryptoPredict pour ces premiers projets. Donc, on va les applaudir. Merci.
Hi everyone, it's Sergio Ponce and me, Eduardo Maria, and we're going to present you our project, CryptoPredict. So, how Arturo introduced it, we want to predict the course of different cryptocurrencies in the future. So let's start.
So, cryptocurrency, trending topic worldwide, financial phenomenon, and we want to get in the ride. So, what is the target? The target is to predict the trending of the prices, and how we will attack it. We attack it with the candlestick. With the candlesticks is a financial tool in order to summarize actually very the financial statements in a time frame given. We choose the time frame of 1 minute in order to give in the further future trading bot our model. Yeah. But why and how? So the market structure in cryptocurrency is active 24/7. Okay. There are several changes. So there's many. All of them, they have API. So we have a direct connection on the financial data. There's no centralization, and it is a true open market. So and the product is the crypto that follows a blockchain technology. That means that it could be portable, divisible, and highly tradable. All these, all these properties makes favorably for a prediction model. So we began to attack this problem with Binance API. So the Binance is the biggest exchange that there is right now. We gather all the information in a big database. Why we do all this work? Because thinking in the further future to train our model and give a prediction in live data. Just continue. Our model results. So we began attacking with a simple machine learning algorithm that is a logistic regression that gives us 53%. So it's basically a random guess. So you can see the noisy of the data. So we began the big research in the deep learning algorithm, which took several days and several combinations, so more than 500 combinations, and we only found 30 that it kind of works. The better one gave us 3 out of 4 times the good price, the good guessing. Just continue. We took this same model, the same model with the parameters that we found. We tried to guess different kind of coins. As you can see, we trained it with Bitcoin. That is the biggest one right now. And we tested a different range of crypto money, so big, medium, and small, to see what happens. So this means that we might need a model for each coin because of the reaction of it. Continue.
Yeah, so demo time. Let's go to see what we did. So let's see. So right now we have like the 5 last days of the Bitcoin trading. So we're gonna click on the little button predict, and we're going to predict the 15 last minutes, and we're gonna compare it to the actual result and see if our algorithm is good enough or not. So it's gonna take a little of time. Right now, it's the algorithm is calculating the last 50 minutes and compare it to the actual real ones. Let's go. So here we have true what really happened, and here is our prediction. So we can see that blue ones are downsides and the price is going to drop, and the orange ones are that the price is going to rise. So we can see it's quite good enough. It's a good model, I think. It's very important, but we need some improvements. Okay. And what are the next steps for our algorithm? So first of all, we need to reduce the noise, very important. Second, we need to find the hyperparameters and research for each crypto, like Bitcoin, small and, Ethereum and BAT. And also a very good feature that we want to implement is the social media sentiment. What is going to happen if a guy named Elon Musk gonna tweet and the Bitcoin is gonna drop or not, or in Reddit if there's a lot of discussion about the new cryptocurrencies that's gonna rise. So that's our next steps for now, and I thank you for your listening, and thank you very much.